All right, this is the best car interior cleaning hack ever. I've done all the different sprays, I've done all the different wipes, and basically all I'm using now is a Swiffer. This one is the heavy duty pet Swiffer, but you can use a regular Swiffer too. And I haven't done this car in a couple weeks, and I left my windows down the other day, so it's got tree pollen all over everything. But let's just see how it does.
Can you let me wear them?
Let me shut that off. Shut off the screen so we don't hit any more buttons here. And then basically all you have to do is take the dust off. I don't always need any more shine. I just want it to be clean. And just by doing this, it eliminates almost all the dust just in one swipe. It works on the screens, works on all the plastic, vinyl, everything. So before I'm doing an Armor All wipe, I'm doing this now.